At GKR Scaffolding, we have the capacity to undertake any size project at any height, at any location in London and the southeast of England. With material assets exceeding 35 million, we are in an ideal position to react to any large-scale projects that is required from our clients. And with the continued investment in system scaffolding, tubes, boards, fittings and beams, we are continuously growing to support the construction industry.
Yeah, we're currently running 10 vehicles of our own in and out of London each day, roughly covering between 10 and 15 full loads a day going in and out of the yard, 250 tonne of materials going onto sites in London and the same amount coming back each day. We've actually moved our vehicles from using diesel over to HVO, which gives us a smaller carbon footprint due to the fact that there's very little emissions coming out of these vehicles. We're currently serving roughly 50 live sites each week and we need to plan to the extreme. All our vehicles have got live trackers. We're in communication with our drivers and our guys on all our sites every minute of the day.
We have 350 plus employees, so we have a dedicated HR team that oversee the training. We have daily updates on expiries of certain training capability of the operatives, and then it's planned within 3 months of any training being required. We know from day one who our operatives are, you know, what training they require, what development they require. When we start with apprentices, they come on board, they're given a mentor that will guide them through the 2-year apprenticeship policy and will be developed from there. So training is managed that way, and obviously when an apprentice or a new employee is ready and set to take the next level of training, they're guided through by the more experienced team members. We have a high level of core staff that have been with the company for numerous years. So once you tend to join GKR, you tend to stay, and high level work that we carry out throughout the industry, and obviously the training we provide, which we believe is second to none.
We will engage at any level really. We've carried out projects, you know, for as much as £1,000 to some of our larger projects that have sort of like been 25 million. But if you're looking at the projects that we have worked on previous, you look at the Shard, 22 Bishopsgate, 100 Bishopsgate, Wimbledon, Tennis Centre, Tottenham Hotspur Stadium as well. So it sort of like gives you a feel for what we can deliver, and Battersea Power Station obviously being in there amongst, you know, some of the larger projects that we do. The reason that, you know, 85% of our business is repeat business, and it's about our teams. So predominantly I'd turn around and say it's probably they know our teams. We've delivered on their previous projects. Yeah, the client trusts us, we trust them, and they when they engage with us early enough that it's not somebody else writing our programs for us. It's us detailing in our leading times on how long something will take and what the risks are involved. And yeah, it's basically built on trust, which I think the whole industry is anyway.
Obviously, it's extremely important that we do keep up to date with current legislation and current guidance. That makes sure that we can achieve industry practice. But with GKR, we always want to try and go above that to achieve best practice. Our health and safety team, we audit and inspect all of our projects, all of our live projects on a monthly basis. This is to ensure that we're monitoring our performance and record our performance. We want to ensure that we have high-performing people working on high-performing projects. Develop the virtual reality training. We could actually put our people back into these real-life scenarios without the potential of actually hurting people. So we could take them through this journey and obviously change their behaviours, their attitudes and their culture on the projects that they're working on, and in turn that actually reduce our accident rate. We've actually launched our own GKR Academy, which is aimed at our managers and supervisors. That was back in 2014 to help them with more management and leadership tools that they can transfer and work back onto the project with them. But on top of that as well, we do carry out sort of leadership tours within the business just to ensure we've got engagement and visibility on the projects to help our people carry out their day-to-day tasks.